Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini series has consistently redefined the compact drone market, offering impressive performance and features in a remarkably small and portable package. Building upon the success of the Mini 4 Pro, DJI is rumored to be developing the Mini 5 Pro, an iteration that promises to further elevate the standards for this popular drone category. Release date: a mid-2025 horizon. While an official release date has yet to be confirmed, industry insiders and reliable leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro is likely to make its debut sometime in mid-2025. This time frame aligns with DJI's typical product release cycle and allows for sufficient development and testing time. A focus on enhanced performance. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to introduce several significant upgrades over its predecessor, primarily focusing on enhancing performance, safety, and user experience. Larger sensor for superior image quality. One of the most anticipated improvements is the incorporation of a larger image sensor. The Mini 4 Pro, while impressive, has limitations in terms of low light performance and image quality compared to larger sensor drones. By adopting a sensor similar to the one found in the high-end A3s series, the Mini 5 Pro can deliver significantly improved image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. This larger sensor will also contribute to enhanced object tracking capabilities, allowing the drone to more accurately lock onto and follow subjects, even those moving at high speeds. Redesigned motors for enhanced stability and efficiency. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature redesigned motors that offer several key advantages. Firstly, these motors are likely to be more powerful, providing increased thrust and improved stability in windy conditions. This enhanced power will also contribute to faster acceleration and more agile flight maneuvers. Secondly, the motors will incorporate advanced cooling mechanisms, such as improved venting systems, to prevent overheating during extended flights. This will not only enhance flight safety but also contribute to longer flight times. Enhanced obstacle avoidance for increased safety. Safety is paramount in drone operation, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to incorporate additional safety features to minimize the risk of collisions. The most notable addition is the inclusion of two front-facing obstacle sensing sensors. These sensors will provide the drone with a more comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles more effectively. This enhanced obstacle avoidance system will not only increase flight safety, but also provide users with greater peace of mind. Advanced AI for reliable subject tracking. Building upon the impressive subject tracking capabilities of the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to leverage advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to further refine this functionality. The enhanced AI will enable the drone to reliably track fast-moving subjects, such as athletes, vehicles, and even wildlife. This will open up new possibilities for creative aerial cinematography and allow users to capture dynamic action sequences with greater ease and precision. 5G connectivity for enhanced control and live feed. One of the most exciting rumored features of the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of 5G connectivity. 5G's high bandwidth and low latency will revolutionize the drone experience, providing a significantly smoother and more responsive live feed. This will enable users to control the drone with greater precision and experience a more immersive flight experience. Furthermore, 5G connectivity will facilitate faster data transfer, allowing users to quickly download high-resolution photos and videos. Extended flight time for longer adventures. The Mini 4 Pro offers a respectable flight time, but the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push the boundaries even further. With improvements in battery technology and aerodynamics, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to achieve a flight time of up to 40 minutes. This extended flight time will provide users with greater flexibility and allow them to explore larger areas and capture more footage during a single flight. Refined design with incremental upgrades. While the Mini 5 Pro is expected to retain the compact and foldable design that has made the Mini series so popular, it will likely feature incremental design upgrades. These upgrades may include refined aerodynamics for improved flight performance, more durable materials for enhanced durability, and subtle aesthetic enhancements to maintain the drone's sleek and modern look. Maintaining the sub-250-gram weight class. One of the key factors contributing to the Mini series' popularity is its lightweight design, which allows it to operate under less stringent regulations in many countries, including the United States. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain this sub-250-gram weight class, ensuring that it remains accessible to a wide range of users and continues to offer a hassle-free flying experience. The Mini 5 Pro. A significant leap forward. In summary, The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering a compelling blend of enhanced performance, advanced features, and enhanced safety. With a larger sensor, redesigned motors, improved obstacle avoidance, advanced AI, 5G connectivity, extended flight time, and a refined design, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to set new standards for compact drones. Pricing. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced at a premium compared to the Mini 4 Pro, reflecting the inclusion of advanced features and technologies. Competition. The Mini 5 Pro will face competition from other manufacturers, including Auto Robotics and Rise Tech, which are actively developing their compact drone offerings. Environmental impact. As with any technological advancement, it is crucial to consider the environmental impact of drone production and operation. DJI has taken steps to minimize its environmental footprint, and it is hoped that this commitment will continue with the Mini 5 Pro. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro represents an exciting glimpse into the future of compact drones. With its blend of advanced technology, user-friendly features, and compact design, the Mini 5 Pro has the potential to further democratize aerial photography and videography, empowering users to capture stunning aerial content with greater ease and creativity.